Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a fake Windows infection pop-up, a la fake scanner, but not quite that. It gives off a similar vibe, however, it is certainly another difficult path to show off outside of a malware-run computer. Now, I'm not entirely sure which computers exactly this malicious campaign targets, but I managed to get a pop-up from Firefox on Windows 7. Luckily enough, I have the exact same configuration on my main VM. This is a VM. So, making it appear should be a charm. Should be. But this pop-up seems to be bitchy, as I can't transfer it between, let alone two computers. I can't do it between a guest and a host on the same machine. So, it's all good though. I have it fully recorded on a malware-run computer, so if I can't make it run right here on a VM, I'm just gonna dub over the existing recording. So let's go ahead and try our luck here. Here I got the origin website. Wait, where's the link though? There's literally not a single link on this website. What? Okay, I'm just having little difficulties. Should be here, right? Yes. So, here I actually got the origin website, which is a very shady fake media file link that only works from certain search engines. What kind of a website I've got here? Go ahead and click on download. Makes us wait a bit. Be that way. And now we can generate all the advertisements we need on the fly. And as many times as we want. And hopefully, that's definitely not what I had before. Well, this is definitely malware, however, it's not the sample I wanted to show you in this episode. Wait, that's a bit different. Now we wanted an 850 pound Amazon gift card with a fake quiz. Can you generate 5 links? Can it be like a Windows 7 pop-up, please? No, it's a different IP. I need to generate it from the same IP to get the same outcome. See, that's what I told you. I just can't get it on a different computer. It just doesn't work. Oh, big O sex. We love it. I'm gonna regenerate the IP and come back. Alright, I'm back with the different IP and let's go ahead and click download. See what we got next. Windows 7 pop-up? Could it be? Yes, it seems like that. Yes, I got it. Second try. Okay, so Windows Firewall has detected that your Windows 7 is damaged and irrelevant. That's an insult. And as a result, your system files are automatically deleted. Check out the system root folder. Got any files deleted? No, I think they're all intact. Please follow the instructions to fix the problem immediately. This way you will ensure that your system is always protected. Now that kinda reminds me of the fake scanners from a previous decade. In early 2010s, there was a Wolfram antivirus, and I think the last sentence is taken directly from Wolfram antivirus. So, here's that. And we also got the second pop-up. Keep them coming. Wait, Windows Firewall has detected that you have not updated your Windows system. Well, actually, I've got like 100 gigabytes worth of updates on this VM. Well, not 100, but 80. 60 worth of updates. Each remains damaged and vulnerable. Well, who better to know that than a scam webpage. So we got 248 seconds to work with. And in the meantime, yes, whenever we leave the page, it's gonna fearmonger us until we go back in. And as usual, you long-time watchers know it, I love to wait out this timer. Because some timers on these scam websites, they love to go negative. And, you know, this is just kind of funny. So I'm literally gonna sit there and wait for 3 minutes and see what we get. If it goes negative, I'm gonna pop off. Here we are, just under 100 seconds. Nice. Okay, we're in the single digit area now. Let's hope it goes negative. Unfortunately, it seems like it doesn't, but it stops at 0 seconds and does not redirect you, which is also a win, in my books. So, we are now left with a fake system warning that wherever we click redirects us. No spoilers yet where it does. And I'm going to incentivize you guys to guess which vendor it is going to be. Which fake dirty antivirus like Norton or McAfee is behind this? Or maybe it's a pop? Take a guess in the comments down below. The game's called Catch the Puppy. First 3 letters of which are potentially unwanted. Alright, let's go ahead and update our poor system. That brings us to testedforyou.net, the kind of site you would always trust your computer with updates. It's coming at us with Outbyte driver updater. And props to ones who got it right. You guys are cracked if you got it. Saves time and ensures efficiency, improves computer performance, scans and updates drivers. Gold partner, blah blah blah, user reviews. Yeah, okay. It's signed as a special offer here, which we'll gladly take and install and review as well, don't you worry. The best part, however, is that there is literally an uninstall guide right below the download button. Let's go ahead and check that. Oh, you use cookies. Who would have known? Wow, that's detailed. It can... Wait, Windows XP? But it doesn't work with Windows XP. What are you talking about? There's a discrepancy I found. Already from the start. Wait, what is this? This isn't even Windows XP. I mean, yeah, first 3 steps are correct, granted, but the 4th step is just a copy of Mac OS. They really just copy-pasted that. My god. We'll keep that in mind. You can also contact their service. No live chat, unfortunately. But we can hit them up with a message. It will... A little request type here. Partnerships. That's the most important part. Oh, that will be less priority than their urgent issues, particularly refunds. Damn, we're really off to a good start here. Okay, with a heavy heart, let's download the file. Looks like it's gonna be juicy. It doesn't tell you how to download, well, that's normal. Outbyte driver updater. Yeah, it does not run under the sandbox. For some reason it crashes the theme or something repeatedly with its installer, so you can't really test it. So it's gonna be a complete raw experience for me. Okay, so Outbyte driver updater, nothing in EULA. Send anonymous info, that's telemetry. Create a desktop shortcut, that's fine. See what kind of a bird that is. Launch and scan. Damn, this really brings back the rogues. The rogues of 2010. 2016. I do remember Outbyte before. In a malware 10 malware run, I was greeted with Outbyte driver updater, but I don't think it installed. Meanwhile, it's scanning. Oh wait, there's live support. There is an opportunity for us. By the way, we're gonna wait till it scans everything. It scans everything, starting with system performance, ending with battery. Which I don't have a battery in my computer. It's not a laptop. Turn off HDD spin down. We can update and apply, but that requires, of course, a pro version. There's probably like $30. Tweaks. Let's go ahead and check tweaks. CPU overheating prevention. Let's see, this seems really misleading. I don't think you can prevent the CPU from overheating except if you underclock it. Limit maximum CPU load to 85%. That's not gonna work. Ah yes, more Outbyte stuff that we can install. Get us in the Outbyte rabbit hole, which is optional offer. Oh yes, of course the most stable driver versions are unchecked, because if you have, for instance, less stable newer drivers, there are going to be more issues in the diagnostics. It's gonna find more issues upon the scan, so it's gonna give you more reasons to buy it, so it's of course unchecked. Anonymous info, telemetry, never install unsigned drivers. Oh, we have to activate the program to reach live support. This is sad. This is actually saddening. Breaks my heart. Let's see how much it costs. Try activating now. Oh, no. Wait, I'm not leaving yet. Hold up. Well, since everyone knows that Gold Microsoft Partner is basically malware, they made it silver. Doesn't change it. Activate the full driver updater version. Include the Outbyte PC repair, huh? Activate now, experts. United States. It's obviously secured by Norton. A fake antivirus. Something in there. United States of America. One PC license, it costs me $30. Oh wait, how's my total 69? 30 seems suspicious, however. Oh wait, it's a 10 PC license. I see. Oh, it's also included Outbyte PC repair. It's $29.95 for me now. Dude, this sword is so desperate. Look at that. Yes, I don't want PC repair to improve my PC performance. Doesn't scream about the file recovery, the same. Wow. This is pretty impressive. Alright, I think we're done with it. Let's go through the uninstallation process. It gives you a choice to fully exit the driver updater. That's pretty cool. Probably to make it less suspicious. So I have an install tool on hand which makes the process as simple as uninstall and then force removal of all traces. Many people don't have that, it's paid, so you just go to appwiz.cpl as per their uninstallation documentation. You head over to Outbyte driver updater and you hit uninstall. Yes, there are no special offers, like in Avast for instance. It gets removed from your computer too. So, that's pretty nice. That's a nice rogue, which is called pop by our standards. And so, this is where the fake Windows 7 pop-up leads to. Never fall victim to such a scam and take care.